No, keep going. Good.
Gonna run to the wood stove and get some ashes. We're going to line up the tires that I rolled over a few days ago, and yeah, we're gonna dice up some seed potatoes and make a harvest. Gotta get them tires over here to that loom pile. Just gonna roll the 5 tires over individually. 1 down, 4 to go. Another one. 3 more. Jensen got some ash and now he's going to get shovels. Alrighty. Gonna shovel that into the tires. Okay, it's all hard from a few days of raining and packing. It's just gonna get broken up. Gotta get the insides of the tires too, putting about 4-inch layer of loom. Both running shovels now. Gotta get these filled up. So finishing up the one I started for them. This is basically how you want
like
it.
That?
About 4 inches all the way through, even on the insides.
That's it.
Progress is showing, it's coming. Just not packing them down too hard, but you know, getting them packed some. Just got this one and that one to finish up, and yeah, we'll be done.
Just a tiny bit. Just a tiny bit what I needed.
No, just get it. Alright. Now they got that layer of loom so we can, you got this cup of ash. You got these cut seed potatoes. You got this bag full of seed potatoes. Like this one has 2 seeds on it, so we'll just cut them, you know, like that. And now we'll just mold them in the dirt how we have to, but just get them so they're facing up, and put about 6 plants in each tire, and if we have enough seed potatoes, we'll bring some more tires over. Let me get all these diced up and I'll do a little transition. This is what we got going on so far. Like a seed potato like this, you just cut it right down the middle and you got 2 seeds to work with. Same with this one, just down in between them and 2 more seeds. Don't really matter because they're gonna get buried, but like another one right there. This is a whole potato right here. Just gonna dig it enough just to keep it, you know, stood up straight, because that's how you want them. I like cutting them like this and just setting them in. This is just kind of example though. I guess you want to get ash on them to help prevent the rotting. So all the ones that are sliced, I'm just going to twist and rub in the ash good, like with this one. Nice and ashy. And like with this one. Because when they start to grow seeds, they're already kind of little ways gone, so. Now we'll toss another layer over them, get them nice and wet, and yeah. Making the last of what we got for seeds. We're planting,
Potatoes.
and we run a little low on these 2 tires, so got enough to hold us off. We're probably most likely going to do a second row.
We are. Not tonight.
Alrighty, right there.
Not tonight, right?
5. This whole potato right here
Dude,
will make 6.
now I'm filling my tire.
Just got that one more, and we're done the first row. Alright, got the second bag of seed potatoes. Jensen's gonna start running over some more tires so we can do a second row probably on this side. I'm going to fill the tires in and water them. Now just fill in the inside of the tire. That's 1 done, 2 done, just get a packet. 3rd one started, 2 more to go. Whew. 5 are in the process of harvesting. I might put a little bit more loom on though before I get them wet. I don't know. Alright, I had a fly land on my eyeball and I blinked and it got deep in there and we ended up getting it out. Anyway, these 3 topped off, got these over here. Now we're gonna get them wet. Used, I don't know, 2 gallons. Got all of them wet. Not soaked, but good and wet. Start filling up these tires.
Dad's bringing tires over too.
We didn't have too many. Well, everybody, I had to go to his garage and get a pot.
The one right there, we're just gonna do it in the ground. These N2 tires don't have any ash on them. The rest do.
Yeah.
It's 13 scoops.
Jensen, get that brown paper bag.
Alright, I don't really remember if I filmed or not. We planted a russet right here. Some potatoes right here. And it had a whole lot of rain, so I brought over some water. I don't know if that's a potato plant or not. Or like that. I don't believe so. Yep, I do believe that's a potato plant. And that. And you know, seeing some more signs right here. Yeah. See. 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 It's good news. I gotta layer them some more because, like, I'm washing out the roots. I'm trying not to pour it too hard. The thing about loam is that it has like a hard outside surface. So where the plants are coming, it breaks it. So I'm just gonna take the broken pieces and just kind of place them around the plant to help from the roots getting washed up. Just kind of do that, I guess. And I just, you know, put a little bit more of a layer if I have to over them. If I'm washing the roots up. Done. Attempt NO, well, .1 undoes the spigot work. I'm seeing big plants growing up there. Holy hell. Wait. Hey, try spraying. Oh, yeah. There's a million kinks. See? Don't, Jensen. Keep squeezing. No, point it towards the road. Till all the air comes out of it. Don't leave it on jet. Holy. It ain't even been that long since I come out here and watered them. A week, maybe? And look at the progress we're getting. Oh, yeah. Yes, sir. The 712 kinks don't help, but just low pressure. This one's russet potatoes. This one's red potatoes, I think. We are seeing... Oh, shoot. You don't want to be seeing the roots like that. So get some loom to put around the plant like that. There.
That good?
And this one we're starting to see them. Every now and then we'll have to bury the roots some more, you know.
That good?
Yeah, a little more. Yeah, that's good, that's good.
That good?
Yep. Just do that to about every one of them. Yes, I'd say these potato plants are growing. The russets are a little smaller than the rest, so we planted about a week later, but it's a good turnout we're seeing so far.
We are now because of lack of water. Isaac, yeah, we forgot to water them.
We're gonna harvest these. I ain't had an update in a while, but
Try.
I'll hold that.
Try to flip this one or that one, Ashton. Help him, Jen. I don't know.
See, potato!
Potato.
Potato! Potato! Potato!
Very first potato of the harvest.
Now I found the first one.
Yeah, I harvested the first one.
Alright, that's going in the frying pan.
Show me.
Smaller than a blueberry.
There's another one. No, Bridgie said not to have high hopes.
Bust.
For our first time,
Dig out what's in the tire.
Oh my god, Mom, nibble that one.
for our first time, whatever we get really is good.
We actually spent like $15.
Which really ain't that bad if we
And
get.
all the work.
Lucy, go.
Yeah, I think that's all for that tire.
Ashton.
That
tire empty?
Yep.
Okay. We're going to stack them for next year.
Okay.
Put the tire over
Yeah,
there.
these are going in the frying pan.
Ain't nothing to flex. We watered them occasionally when there weren't really rain,
Put that in the frying
except
pan.
for lately.
Why?
And
How's it taste?
okay, put the rest in the
Put 'em
bucket,
in the
Jen,
bucket.
so we can get a look at our harvest.
Move the hose.
Hey, I want to pick a couple this time.
Oh, these
Here,
are
Mom.
Goldens.
Potato,
Potato.
potato,
Potato.
potato,
Potato.
and just rolled behind you.
Potato.
Potato.
You put them in the bucket. I want to harvest
Potato.
one.
Potato. Potato. No potato.
This is fun.
It's like gold mine.
Just like cleaning up a bedroom.
Way worse than a bedroom.
Oh.
Just gonna let the Incredible Hulk at this point
We did, didn't I?
start flipping them.
Dump my bucket with that tree in it.
Potato already. Look how little that potato is. I won't find a potato. Oh.
It's like gold mining. But without gold.
Yeah.
For me, that's all this is gold. It's food.
These are the hard pieces of loom.
Keep that loom in one pile.
Move your foot, Ash.
Have a future garden in it. Still got that whole pile too. I still don't get why we got one white one and the rest were red.
Well,
White ones?
well, there's the seed.
Hmm?
The seed.
I found it.
Oh.
Seed here too.
Oh, yeah.
Hold on.
I just got the biggest one.
If I run inside and get my tripod real quick, will you guys stop flipping tires? I'm gonna go do that. Will you guys do this? Okay. That's what we have so far. We ate like 2 little ones. That right there is the original seed.
That grew already.
Okay, move that tire, Ash.
I want to try flipping this time.
Oh, it's so heavy.
Holy
Wait,
potatoes.
I'm looking at
Ashton,
the
you got one
seed.
right there on your knee.
I know.
Johnson, watch.
I was more attracted by the rotten seed than I was anything else, honestly.
Alright, one just fell off that plant.
Jensen, quit picking the potatoes out of my hand.
I'm
I'm getting so grabby.
Family.
Wanna come pick one, Mom?
Okay, wait, I called dibs on the end one. I want to be the first to try that.
Yeah, because that one's not battered or something.
Well,
Can I pull?
I'll pull one before you.
Okay, so that pile is ones we didn't do with Ash, and this one is just the one I'm gonna do.
Okay.
This one. I'm excited for this one, honestly.
Potatoes. Potatoes. Potato. Put that little one. Can I rub this one?
They're literally... Yep, grab one then. Just do one plant at a time. These are the russets. That's the seed.
Oh, there's leaves on them, Dad.
All right.
So I only got that little potato.
One right there on the ground.
Alright,
Plus two?
that was the russets.
Plus two, that's not that bad. Because we ate two. Oh, that's a way to go.
Okay, let's see if Dad's rugged enough to pick up this super tire.
Is that a big potato or a grana? Oh, wow.
Oh, that's a big one.
Is it? Oh yeah, it is.
There you go, John.
Oh, wow.
Show it to the camera. It's our biggest potato yet.
That tire is going to have potatoes in it.
Yeah.
Yep.
Yeah, I think that's the one we purposely planted them inside the wall or something.
That's not bad for first ever time. And 3 that we've eaten, because she's...
And 5 more tires.
Can I do the first pull out of this one?
Yep, out of the mound.
Oh, potato. Oh, that's some nice one. Bigger than nothing.
Little popcorn-sized potatoes.
I like those ones. Taste good.
That right there is a honker potato.
Pick up your potato plants, Jensen.
Let's do a 4. That's not that bad.
That's a good batch.
Popping right out
Two
of
good ones off the bat already. Bring the bucket over here, Jen. Where we can-
That's all. That's
That one looks like a good one. We got a couple.
still nice.
You gotta remember to throw your...
This is what we have left over. We'll probably plant a bigger garden next season. But for now, we're just spreading this loom, setting the tires aside. We'll probably do this again next year because we have always been major potato consumers.
Punch that tire out.
What's that goo stuff on him? Is it a rotted potato?
No, just the rotted seed.
Stem.
Gold.
Hey, Dad, buy you an egg. Just I'm glad we didn't do all this work for nothing.
That one growing another seed on top of it, or is that where it was growing?
What?
That. That's
No, that's where it was growing.
set the bucket right here beside your foot. This one.
I got this.
Clean it out.
I'll raise some potatoes in the sidewalks.
Ooh, that's a subway.
Oh yeah, Jensen's got some good ones.
Okay, I want a bit of
The dirt will dump out of it.
All right, we are on the final tire of
Roll it over there.
the harvest.
the only tire that I'll be able to dump because it's a small one.
For what we knew, I mean, it's not horrible.
Right there, dude.
I believe that is our biggest potato.
Good, then broke.
Is that a wood chipper?
No, that's a cricket.
Once they sit for a couple months, they're in there hard.
Yep. Dirt starts compact.
That's the seed. And that is
Nest.
a few baby potatoes.
That's a. Ooh. Big. I just found the biggest one.
Is that the seed or is that
No.
the potato?
That's a potato. Potato.
Another little.
Check the tire.
Another strawberry-sized potato. Alright, and that is the 2025 potato harvest. I've documented parts of what we've been doing all throughout the thing. I planted dumping the loom, placing the tires, filling them up, planting, and a little bit of watering in between, doing updates, but not really posting it. Weren't really updates, it was just phases of our harvest growing, and I'm proud of it.
Give me the bucket.
I think there's 5 pounds of
4,
potatoes
5.
in there.
Yes, 5-8 pounds.
And what, $10 worth of seeds at the hardware store? Then a couple of our own seeds, because we're massive potato consumers. Always have been, always will be. And this is just a little boost
That's not bad for the first year.
for the future. So maybe I'll also do something of cooking them. I don't know yet. Hope you enjoyed. I'll see you guys later.
We're gonna cook some right now.
Like tomorrow. How about we keep the water running as soon as we actually put the air fryer in the place and have some room for the toaster?
You know what? We made. So you know when we.
Put that on at 400 till it's preheated, then dip them in the vegetable oil. Really ain't that bad. Trying to roll them off, get some of the dirt off them, pick off the extra stuff. They're fluffy.
I'm like them, you're walking them right to her.